Okay, so I am smelling fresh cake. Now, we've got a problem. The problem is that recipe there is, okay, besides being incomplete, I think it's a chocolate cake recipe.
Yeah.
Okay, but I've got a solution.
Yeah.
Do you know what it is? No, you don't. Do you know what my solution is?
I've got an idea.
You've got an idea.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you the magic. The magic. Yeah, how did you guess? Okay, there we go. YouTube. Now, you know how cool it would be to like have a video inside your page? That's going to make it super awesome.
Yeah.
It's actually not that hard.
Yeah.
Now that you understand the basics of HTML, I'm going to show you how you can actually add a video. So I've done a little Google, or rather a little search here for making a carrot cake. And I've come up with one, a very popular one, 1 million views. So this one's got to be awesome. So even if my chocolate cake recipe doesn't work for carrot cake, that's fine. Let's go and get Gemmet's carrot cake. So, well, what we're now going to do, we want to embed her video. You come here and you hit choose share. And don't just rush yourself. Go down to where it says embed. And here you are going to see code. There are actually a couple of things you can do. Show player controls and all sorts of things that are going to be included in your embed option. Show suggested videos. You might say, okay, I don't want that afterwards. I just want this video. You can even start at a certain point if you like. But all you now need to do is grab that. Now you recognize that. What is that?
That's some code.
That's HTML code. It's not that complex. We haven't done the specific code exactly, but you will get the idea because all HTML code is similar. So we're going to Command C it, and we're going to come back here, and just at the bottom here, let's see what happens. We're going to Command V, and we are going to just paste in that bit of code that we have just found. It's actually an iframe piece of code, which means it's something that is going to be contained within a frame. But you don't need to worry too much about that. So you just got to copy it, and you'll see it's got the width and the height, and then it's got the source of the video and what the frame border and whether to allow full screen or not. So those are just some options, but let's take a look. So as simple as that, we run across to our best cake site and hit refresh. And there's the video. It has appeared on our page. Now, obviously, that's not exactly how we would like it. We would maybe like it to be a little bit smaller and to fit here. So the solution to that
is, just with this one we can, add in a whole bunch of spaces. And it has given this option to add the width and height. Okay, so now we just want to make it a little bit smaller than that. So if we had it just changed this one to
360 maybe.
360. What this is going to do is it's gonna make an image like a square, and we kind of want to keep it the same proportions. So what we have here,
proportional scalar.
Yeah, scalar.
I mean, you can grab a calculator and work it out yourself. So there's our original width and height.
Yeah. So if you just had that and you say resize, it gives us, it's going to be 202.5. So if we just put on height
202.
202.
So if you don't keep the proportions right, it's going to either make it very long or very squishy or very weird. So
we'll go, yeah.
So now you can see it's actually the right size. It's so that looks now the right size.
Yeah.
But it still needs to be moved across.
Okay, so we're gonna, just like we did with this one, we're gonna have to add in a lot of spaces before it. So let's just grab this.
Grab some spaces. We don't need the.
Oh, let's just put that in right there. Let's just try that. Come on, save. We'll refresh this and.
Oh, nearly there. I'd
almost
say.
Just a few more. Let's just.
You 2 shakes of a small dog's tail.
Oh my gosh.
God, you gobsmacker.
Okay, so let's just save that. Let's say that's enough. Let's try that.
It's all in the fine tuning.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, so close, so close. I think you're going to need like...
One more.
I think it's 2 more.
No, because it's a whole bunch.
Yeah, it's 2 more. Let's see. Oh, I told you. That's one. Yeah, that's it. It's perfect. It's perfect. You've hit it. And that's looking really good. I mean, we could sit here and fiddle. Yeah. But you get the idea. So here we've got our site's actually looking pretty cool. We've got our recipe. We've got a little image. We've got our video. And now you'll see if you hit play, this video is going to now be playing. Oh, best ever carrot cake. best ever carrot cake. How to make it. So it's all happening here on your site, and you've actually made this whole thing. I mean, it's pretty impressive. It's all embedded in your site. So there we go. Go along, embed a video in your site. We showed you how to do it. You just simply grab the embed code and you come across and insert it on your site. Remember, you may need to just change the width and the height proportionally, add a few little spaces in, and you are ready to rock and roll. So only one thing left, and that is to link this page with that page. And you've then got a complete website. So over to you. We're nearly there, and you're doing fantastic.